So now we're going to do some hands-on exercises with SQL using the like clause, whatever it is. And this is the first one we're going to do. And if you're watching this online, here's the code to create a database with records in Postgres or SQL. Then we inserted some more records. Now you got pretty much all the records we have. So you can do this. And we are going to select customers that have an O in their name. So select star from customers. They're all my customers. Select star from customers where it's just nice to type it all out. Select star from customers where see first, like, and we want an O. Anything, O, anything. Right? Pretty cool. So I'll copy that. Come here, edit, give you the answer. Like, I'll give you all the answers, and there'll still be people that don't do their homework because they don't want to learn it, I guess. Using the customers table, create a query like customers that do not have an O in their name. Not like. That's like some computer gibberish right there that if you haven't been introduced to how this language works, you have no idea what I'm saying when I say latta.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. You know, it's like, oh, once you understand percent is like a wild card, cool, I know what I'm talking about. But if not, you're like, I don't know what latta means. Not anything to be afraid of, it's just a language. And once you learn what the different terms mean, you could speak the language. Records of customers that do not have an O in their name and who are from California. They do not have an O in their name, and C state is equal to CA. Bam. These things are kind of totally fun for me. I don't know why. Anybody else find them fun? Yeah, they're kind of fun, right? It's like, oh, sweet. And you know what's amazing? When you start getting like 65,000 records and you do that and you're like, oh my goodness. That is really powerful. Huh?
Like our data, like with Facebook.
Yeah, it's amazing. Use the customers table, records customers do not have an O in their name and who are not from California. I could do it this way. I could do it this way. Can I do it this way? Where would I put it? Can I do that? Can I do this? Hey, totally worked. Which way do I prefer? Which way is the easiest to read? The first way for me. That just is weird. Like, not like makes sense, but not C state equal. I guess that kind of makes sense too. And then finally, records of customers that do not have an O and who are from Cal or Washington, right? They don't have an O. And use parentheses, C state equal are from Cal or Washington, CA, or C state equal WA. Because if I don't use parentheses, it's hard to tell what is being asked for, right? Where C first is not, oh, which one, am I supposed to get not? Who do not have, yeah. Right, if I didn't have the parentheses, where it'd be C first is this, and C state is equal to this, or is it like those two get evaluated, or this one? Right, so it's either this is true, or that one. Right, like which one? But parentheses says it's this, that has to be true, and one of these has to be true. So that was your homework. Took an hour. How many people found that helpful? How many people did not? All right.